everyone. I am back today with an unboxing. This is the scrapbookingstore.com kit for January. And this is the kit that you get. So this is, if you just get the kit, then that's your kit. And then we have some upgrades too. So let me go through this kit. I'm so excited about this. So you get the 12 by 12 collection kit, which has 99 pieces in it. Lots of ability to create with. Crinkly paper. I'm super excited because I have kind of been like staring at this beautiful collection at the scrapbook stores, and I was so excited to be getting it. This is definitely going to be one that I am going to kill. So there will be lots of videos. I have some pictures printed already and ready to go. So yay. All right, let's start with the papers. So this one is called Hello Winter. Is this beautiful cardinal with the like bluish green color, and then the back is this nice like gingham pattern. I really love this side though, and I think I might use this as a background. This one is called Warm and Cozy. Really like both sides. I love this mustardy yellow. I think it's really pretty. I think it'll work for some fall pages too. Like definitely like this kind of paper. Some of the colors in it might lend itself to some late fall photos as well if you have those. I want to fussy cut this, but this floral is really kind of bunched together. So I think I'll have to just cut it 6 and 6 and use half for one page and half for another page. I do really like both. This one's called Frosty Mornings. It's this fun green, evergreen with the little pine cones on it. Can I just say that I think that, hold on, I think these pine cones would be really fun to color in. I'm just throwing that out there. And then this back side is has this beautiful like birch tree background. I really, really like this. I'm thinking this might be a really nice background for a background page. This one's called Cuddle Up. Buffalo check on one side. Really beautiful wintry floral on the other. This one is called Feelin' Frosty. So these beautiful snowflakes on one side, and then you can never go wrong with a Simple Stories wood grain. They are always just spot on. So pretty. Love that background. I love all the pictures. I really, really love all of the patterns in this collection. This one's called Falling Snow. And I do actually have some beautiful winter photos I just took last week that I think would work perfectly with some of this paper. And the back is just a simple polka dot. Very pretty. This one has these like, this is called Winter Days. It has these like upside down mason jars. I don't know if this is a trend maybe. I don't know. But I think it'd be fun to make one, right? To fill a mason jar up. Might be fun. Anyway, on the other side, this one's called Winter Days. And the other side is this beautiful gingham. I am loving all the gingham and buffalo plaid and things like that are coming out this year. Really pretty. This one's called Snowed In. So there's these pretty like little houses. And then the back side, another gorgeous plaid pattern. You know how much I adore my cut apart. And this one is no exception. Super cute. I'm kind of scared to turn this over because I'm afraid I'm going to like the other side. And right now, I really just want to cut this all up. But yeah, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to like pick a side and go from there. That's okay because I actually think I might like this side better. And then this side, I can just use the pretty snowflakes. Right? Right. Decisions. This one is called, this is the 3x4 Elements card. Really cute. Again, lots of fun things to fussy cut. This would make a fabulous journaling card. This would work really well for title. This would work really well for title. Really, really cute. I like it. This floral I want to fussy cut out. And then the back is this pretty red floral. Okay, next one up. This is the 4x4 Elements. And I am doing, so I do Project Life. I know I don't do videos with my Project Life very often. In fact, I don't think I've ever done them. Maybe I'll do a flip through after I finish 2019. But I like this 4x4 because a lot of times I end up with a page protector, the one page protector is 4x4. So maybe I'll do a Project Life spread using this kit. I love this one that says Up to Snow Good. I love this one that says Take Time to Catch Some Snowflakes. Really cute, like this cocoa one. And the back has these wreaths, which I'm not really a fan of, so that really works well because I can just cut this one apart. And then we have a 4x6. I love this. I love this. This is going to have to be a part of a scrapbook page. So cute. I like the Hello Winter. There's Snow Place Like Home. I really, really like some of these little things. This little snowman would be fun to fussy cut out too. And then the back has this really pretty plaid on it. Okay, next up we have the sticker sheet. So you can use, if you just get this kit, so this is a newer collection. For them to do this as a kit is really, really nice. This is a newer collection, and again, the best thing about these scrapbooking store kits is that they're fabulous products. They're really nice lines, and they're like very budget friendly. So if you just even get just this pack, you're gonna have lots of titling options. You have a whole sticker sheet to play with, really fun icons and sayings, and really, really nice. I really like this one. And so next up are the upgrades. So there are 3 this month. There is a set of letter stickers in silver glitter, which will be really fun to add. And you have lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and numbers, and punctuation. These are small. I definitely think when I use these, I want to put them against one of these darker patterns, one of these darker pages, or even maybe add a pop of colored cardstock to my kit to help to pop those letters out a little bit more. We have enamel dots, my most favorite thing in the history of ever, enamel dots. So one thing I love about being on this design team is quite often the owners will ask us, okay, we have this set of embellishments. What do you guys think? What do you guys think would work the best? And so we get to pick some of the products you see in your kits, and that's really cool for us. So we have these enamel dots, really pretty. I'm saying that because this is one of the things we got to pick this month. And then the other thing that's part of the upgrade is an entire 54-piece package of die cuts. Really, really cool. So if you get your kit and then you get your upgrades, generally it runs to about $20, but still, that's still like a good $20 less than most kit clubs. So you'll have lots of projects to play with. I'm going to pull these die cuts out so I can show you all of them that are in there. I love that these are a nice size. They're not ginormous. If you watch my channel a lot, you know I'm not a fan of ginormous die cut pieces. Okay, so we have some of these beautiful florals. I'm so glad because I love the florals that are on the sticker sheet, and I love the florals that are in the kit, but on the papers, but I feel like there isn't enough. I feel like I want more. And so perfect. So we have some florals. This is Winter Days. Take Time to Chase the Snowflakes. Pretty Fireplace. Snowflakes. Little snowy branch. A fun snowflake banner. Oh, really nice little florals. Perfect for clustering. The little hot cocoa sign. Here's another really pretty snowflake. Here's one of those upside down mason jars. I'm curious about this now. A fun little, so these little one, like this one, I see a clean and simple card with this, with a fun stamped sentiment. This is just a really cute little place. There's Snow Place Like Home. Hello Winter. I like this die cut. That's a really cute idea. Coffee. Always need coffee. More snowflakes. The little pickup truck. This is like a vase that has like some birch trees and floral stuff coming out of it. Cardinal. Stay cozy. Happy winter. Really nice branch. Another one of these super fun. Okay, how cute. Remember I said about the card? Now imagine these two pieces popped up on each other to give it some bulk, right? Some dimension. How adorable cute would that be? Let's get cozy. More of these little trees. Snowflakes, wreaths. I love the wintry trees. I love them. This says Feelin' Frosty. Sweater. My boys are obsessed with wearing sweaters right now. And they look really cute in them too. I'm going to have to take some photos. Yay, it's a snow day. Sled with a wreath. Maybe make sure I'm not like out of frame here, and I think I kind of am. Okay, that's better. A sleigh. I have a friend that actually has one of like this little decor on her porch for winter, which is really cute. Warm hearts. More snowflakes. Here's another one of those beautiful wintry scenes. I love the uniqueness of these die cuts. Really cute. Wreath, how adorable. It's a little bench. That would be great with like a snuggly picture. Some mittens, I'm going to kind of push these off here so we don't lose. More little florals. Another one of the upside down mason jars. More little snowflakes. Snowflake kisses and warm winter wishes. Oh, I like that. Sled rides. And then we have a die cut of that like front door, which I thought was really cute. Okay. So, great upgrades this month. Gorgeous collection to play with. I will be back with a couple of projects throughout the month that include videos. And then at the end of this month, I will definitely do a little like kill a kid thing. Because I have I have at least like 4 or 5 pages of set aside already that I want to scrapbook using these products. So that's awesome. All right. That's it. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, they release today, January 1st. You can find an affiliate link down below to the store. The affiliate links just help support me and help support my channel. They let the company know that you like what I'm doing with their products and things like that. So I really, really appreciate them. And you don't have to use them if you don't want to. Totally your call. And it doesn't cost you anymore to use them either. That's all the blah, blah, blah. Now, I'll be back soon. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you later.